March is coming to an end. The train is leaving at 8 o'clock. March is coming to an end, which means the beginning of the springtime when beautiful flowers bloom. March is going by, which means the flowers are starting to bloom in clusters here and there. March is coming to an end, which means that new flowers are beginning to bloom after the flowers that have already blossomed fall. March is gone, which means that the time of pain will begin from where the wind blows. March is ending, which means that the time of suffering will begin from where the wind blows. March is going by, which means that the wails of sorrow will begin to be heard from where the wind blows. March is coming to an end, which means that the painful time of separation is beginning from where the wind blows, and at that time, people will not have enough time to put on their shoes to escape. March is over, which means that humanity will begin to experience the thunder and lightning that the heaven has prepared for the termination of a material civilization on earth. March is going by, which means that the end times prepared by the heaven will begin, so that the heaven and the earth will roar and cry. March is ending, which means the end of the era of Suncheon, in which material civilization flourished, and also the beginning of the era of Hucheon, in which spiritual civilization will blossom magnificently. March is over, which means that the heaven that has come down to the earth has been made to perfection and established on earth. March is coming to an end, which means that the heaven will become the earth, and at the same time, the earth will become the heaven. March is gone, which means that the Creator has arrived on this land. March is over, which means that the consciousness of the Korean people, who are the descendants of the heaven, shall be awakened soon, so that they will open the era of Hucheon. March is coming to an end, which means that the consciousness of the light workers shall be awakened soon, so that they will open the age of the Creator. March is gone by, which means that the heaven has begun to issue the call to arms to the light workers who are destined to accompany the Creator. March is ending, which means that the rumbling sounds of the earth, announcing a great change in the heaven, have begun from where the wind blows, and will begin to be heard among people. March is going by, which means that the rumblings of the earth, heralding the great upheavals of the earth, have begun from where the wind blows, and will begin to resound among people. March is ending, which means that the train announcing the dimensional ascension of the planet Earth is leaving at 8 o'clock. March is coming to an end, which means the beginning of a new springtime that has recovered the color of the sky in those ancient times. March 25th in 2022, Udeka wrote.